Good morning, loves. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine and my channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. We're getting ready to do a full face of Mirror Beauty. So I have no makeup on, none whatsoever. I've just done my skincare this morning and let's get to it. I am a fan of Mirror Beauty. I have been for a while. I've worked with them for a while. I love all of their products. They are truly a clean beauty brand and we love that on this side of YouTube. I'm going to show you a shade of lipstick that is just absolutely perfect for summer, obviously towards the end. But I am going to walk you through some of my favorite products from Mirror Beauty, and I will skip over any products that I don't use for Mirror Beauty, which I think is just one, my eyeliner. So we'll move past that, but let's get started. Side note, if you guys see my hair just like flowing like I'm at a concert, like I'm on stage, it's because the fan is like right here because it is 90 degrees outside and I am melting. I'm going to use my little mirror here. I'm going to link this, you guys. I absolutely love it. I got it on Amazon and it comes with a little light. It's kind of bright, so I don't know if you can see that. But you can store your makeup brushes and your makeup here. I just absolutely love this. So I'm going to be applying my makeup looking at the mirror here. Okay, first things first, the foundation and concealer stick. If I can have two products in one, sign me up. It just goes on so smoothly, so easily, and it blends easily. I absolutely love this. My shade is Amber and I just apply it everywhere I would apply foundation and concealer. It is just a game changer. I absolutely love this product. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. I'm going to use the Mirror Beauty brush that goes with this, and it gives me just this airbrushed finish. I absolutely love it. So just go here under my eyes, obviously down my nose, on my cheeks. Here's the brush, you guys. It is super soft and it washes so well, and it really helps to give me that airbrush look with this makeup, with this foundation stick. I absolutely love it. And so what I do is just go all around my face, and it's buildable, right? So if you are not one to wear a lot of makeup and you don't want something that's gonna come out heavy and give you like a heavy look, this is your foundation stick. Okay, one of my favorite foundations for sure. So easy, just gives you that easy, natural, no makeup look that we love. Just gorgeous. All right, let's talk about eyeshadow next. This is probably the prettiest color. Focus, the prettiest color. I absolutely love it. And now I'm going to mispronounce this. Don't come for me, because I think it's Glace. I think it's Glace. I'm going to drop it down in the description box. Don't worry about it. I always pronounce this incorrectly, but it is just this beautiful sheer kind of light pink color, and it is perfect for summer. And I'm actually going to apply it with my finger. See if I can show you the color. It's just that color, right? If you just need a little bit of something on your days where like running errands, or you want a really light natural look, this is the eyeshadow for you. It blends so easily. I just used my fingers, went over it a couple of times, and I just love this look. Okay, just applied some eyeliner off camera, but I just think that is so pretty. On to these brows. Okay, this is the Brow 1980 gel and I absolutely love it. I love it because just a little bit goes a long way again, and I have like spaces in my eyebrows and I love to fill them in, but sometimes if you get a pen, the color can be too dark, they don't look so natural. I love this. I love the packaging. I love how easy it is to apply. Again, you can apply as little as or as much as you like. Doesn't come out with a lot of products on the brush, so it's going to be so easy to apply. And so what I do is just take the brush, go through and brush it through my eyebrows. Just brush it through and it just gives you that natural look. Absolutely love this product. So for someone like me who has like these spaces, this is perfect just to fill it in and just give you like a full brow look. Time for some mascara. Of course, we absolutely need mascara. This is their perfect black mascara. Again, I don't worry about anything irritating my eyes. I just know that everything that they use is really clean. So I'm just going to apply a few coats of this mascara. which I love. We know that my lashes can use all the help that they can get. If you want just a natural lash look, this is absolutely perfect for you, and it is so easy to apply. Again, the fan is on and it's just like blowing my hair in my face. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm like messing with my hair a lot. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, all done. Just a little bit of mascara to complete the look. Again, I really do love the mascara because I don't worry about anything bad being in it. I know that Merit Beauty does the best that they can to give us products that are clean, and I've never had any irritation, like I said, so their mascara is just a win-win for me. Let's move on to blush. Now, I love their blushes, and this shade is in Beverly Hills. Hopefully you guys can see that, but it just gives me just a little bit of pink on my cheeks. I just apply it and then use it with my fingers. Just rub it in, put as little or as much as you want. It's so easy. Gives you like that creamy blush look. Not powdery, not cakey. Doesn't come off with a lot of color, so you can just apply it as little or as much as you want. But I usually just come down my cheek like this where I want the blush, and I just use my finger to like pat it out like this, right? Wherever you want to take it. Go up, you can go across your nose if you want to. You can add more if you want to. I love it. And it's just very creamy and soft, and you can just blend it so easily. I just think it's just gorgeous, and it's not gonna like clash with any of your other lipsticks that you're using because it's just like this beautiful soft pink. I love it. Okay, let me get close. Do you see this color? I think it's just so pretty, so easy to apply. These are products that you can just have on the go with you in your car or in your makeup bag, where you don't need to take a ton of brushes because everything just blends really well, and it's just easy makeup. Okay, let's talk about the lipstick. Now, this is in the shade Ginger, and when I first saw this color, I was like, how's this gonna look on me? I just have never really gravitated towards ginger colored lipsticks, and so I was like, oh, but I trust Merit, and I know that their lipsticks are gonna go on light. It's gonna be super moisturizing, and I was like, okay, at the very least I could add this on top of another color. But when I put it on, there was no need, because it was just so good. Perfect summer color. It's very light, gives off this like I almost want to say like a light peachy color, but this is a color. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like one of those colors that will work with like every skin tone. Let's put it on. Come on. This is just such a pretty color. So again, if you are into lighter colors, you like something on your lips but just a little bit of something, like you're not a red lip girly or a bright pink lip girly, you just want something, this is so gorgeous. It truly is like that ginger color, but it gives like the peachy feel, and I just love it. I'm here for this color. No lip liner. If you want to add a gloss over it, you can, but you don't need to. You want to add this over another color, it's just going to be gorgeous. It's going to give it like a ginger tint or tone to the lipstick, and it's going to be so pretty. So good. So a little setting spray. Let that sit for a minute. Okay, loves, those are my favorite products from Merit Beauty. Let me know what you think. Again, this is like my no makeup look. Quick natural makeup routine, and I absolutely love their products. Like I said, I will link everything down in the description box and answer any questions that you guys have about Merit Beauty. I've been like working with them for a very long time, and I've used the majority of their products. So okay, I'm in the video there, and I will see you guys in a couple of days. Mwah.